Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a haul video of what I bought for myself during the Black Friday sale, which is last month, and what I was given for Christmas this year, 2023. So I'm going to make these into two videos. One of them is going to be about my clothes haul, and the second one will be my makeup skincare that I got, the beauty stuff that I got. So yeah, let's get started. So this first video is, this is all the things that I got during the holiday season sales and was given as a present. So I'm gonna start with separate them and show you guys the clothes that I got. This is a present from my boyfriend. Jacket, very warm and cozy. It has fur in the neck area and it's really warm, thick warm. So I'm gonna wear this when the weather is super cold. It has a lot of pocket around and it's really nice and cozy. It's kind of hot now, so I want to try something that's super nice and super warm. It's a Christmas present from my boyfriend. And this box, I got a sweater. Yellow one. I love yellow, so this is the perfect color for me. It's for the cold season. So I'm gonna use this to wear with my long skirt, the white one that I have, and then I'm gonna wear this for New Year, the Asian Chinese New Year coming up in about a month. So here, very long, but very warm and nice. I got this sale from Uniqlo. It's not that bad. Let's see. I think I got it like 40% off. The original price is around $16. Yeah. Next one, the same sale I got from Uniqlo, which is the coat. Look at this. It's not too thick, but it is at the same time it keeps you warm, and it's white. It's never wear with all with everything. So I'm going to got this. Let me try it on. It's very nice with like a blazer neckline and then kind of long but not too long. It's gonna wear with everything and not too thick, so you can wear it in any occasion. I'm planning on wearing this on New Year too. The original price is $129.90. We got it on sale. I think 40% off, 40 or 30% off. So I think I got a pretty good deal. skincare makeup I wanted, it's gonna be in my next video, the second one for this haul. I'll just show you guys now a bunch of different skincare, body mist. I'll show you the detail later. On this one, I got it from it's called Open Fort. It's another coat and it's kind of like cozy and warmer. It's thicker and it's kind of have that nice gray color, and it's a little bit cropped, but it's super nice to try it on last time. Oh, I bought this on sale too on Black Friday, but I have to go to change it, the size, because the one I got is way too big. So I changed it for a smaller one, and it's perfect. See? Super cute. And I like this color too. Very warm. Kind of thicker material than the other one, but it's really nice too. This is like, I think, the best item I got this year for the sale season. Nice one. And for this one, this one is cheap the mouth. More makeup stuff, and then one more item from the same brand earlier. This one, this crop top, is like spaghetti strap top, and it's really nice material. It's really kind of thick, and I don't think you need to wear a bra inside because it's covered really well, and I got it because it's kinda, with the sale price, it's kinda cheap, so enough. And the next one is this sweater. It's from Zara, so also got it from the big sale during Black Friday. It's super cute because it has the same in the back and the front. It said collecting art makes you younger. See? And the color is like a dark blue. So I got it in the large. So it's kind of like a little bit oversized. I can wear on top of a t-shirt, and then pair with a pair of blue jeans, black jeans, white jeans. Gonna be super cute. More skincare stuff. Okay, next is gonna be a pair of shoes. So the story of this one is one of the items that in my sister's wish list, and instead of buy it for her, I bought her something else, and this pair is on sale for super cheap. It's only like a third of the price, so I just got it. It's kind of a brownish color, and it's just a basic Converse shoe. You can wear it like all day, every day. And this color can go with a lot of different outfits. Also, this is from Zara. From the Black Friday sale, I bought a pair of skinny jeans. It's just a basic black skinny jean, but it's super comfy and it's just want me to change with my current favorite one. It has like a cut in the middle of the knee, a rip, but I decided to get one of the basic ones, so in case I have more complicated top, I can pair it with this very well. These last few items are from Shein. It's an online store that become really popular in these recent years, and look at this bag, super duper cute. I was intentionally gonna buy a black one, but they sold out, so the white one is, it's not white, but it's kind of like off-white, but it has this cute adjustable strap, so this kind of looks similar to the Chanel straps, and I love it. This can wear anywhere with any outfit, and you can put a lot of stuff in there. It's not small, but it's not big, but it's not too small, so you can get it online at Shein. Another Shein item. A skirt. Basic black long line skirt. Because I never had anything like this before, so I thought it would be nice to have this to try to pair with other items in my closet. I'll show you later when I try it on something. Yes, black one. And the last item is a black pen. It's a cargo pen, but I feel like it's just a regular pen because the material is kind of thin and it's like a regular pen. It's kind of for you know, when you wear a blazer with a shirt and you wear pants with it, it's kind of formal like that, but it's got cargo with it. It has no pocket on the sides. So, and it has a straight leg, so it's kind of cute, and it can go with any outfit, I guess, or you can wear a crop. And I never had this kind of pants before in my closet too, so I just decided to buy it. Yeah. And that's it. That's all my items that I bought during the Black Friday sale. And that's it for tonight. And please wait for the part 2, which is my skincare makeup that I bought and given. So I'll see you in the next video. Good night.